Welcome back! This one's a requested video, and a pretty useful one. Today I'm going to show you how to disable or enable Windows Ink Workspace through the Registry Editor. Windows Ink Workspace is the panel built for digital pens and graphic tablets, so if you're not using one, there's no reason to have it running. Now, some of you might be wondering, why use the registry for this instead of a simple settings toggle? Because on a lot of Windows builds, there's no visible setting for it. The registry is the only reliable way to control it. Let's get into it. Open your Start menu, type Registry Editor, and open it when it appears. Once you're in, you need to navigate to a specific path. Start by expanding HKey Local Machine, then go into Software, then Policies, then Microsoft. Now here's what you're looking for. Inside Microsoft, check if there's already a folder called Windows Ink Workspace. If it's not there, right-click on Microsoft, hover over New, and select Key. Name it exactly Windows Ink Workspace. Spelling and capitalization matter here. Once you're inside that folder, right-click on the empty right side panel, hover over New, and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name this new value AllowWindowsInkWorkspace. Double-click it to open it. This is where you actually control the behavior. Set the value data to 0 to disable Windows Ink Workspace, or set it to 1 if you want to enable it again later. And if you ever want to remove this setting entirely, not just disable it, but wipe it out completely, just delete the Windows Ink Workspace folder and the policy disappears with it. That's all there is to it. If this helped, consider subscribing. It supports the channel and keeps these tutorials coming. I'll see you in the next one.